Guys, today is such a special stream. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. I literally can't believe this is happening. I'm gonna explain you in a second what's gonna happen today. Gee, sorry. You guys like, oh my god, mom, is this really happening? Is this really happening, mom? Is this real life? It is real life. So, listen. Today I get to work with one of my favorite brands of all times. You already know that I have some hobbies next to streaming and playing video games. I also really like cooking, and my other hobby is makeup, as you know. Like, I love putting on makeup. You know that I do my makeup on stream every week, most of the time, multiple times. So get ready with me. Streams are not new for you. But today is special. I get a sponsored stream together with Benefit Cosmetics. If you don't know them, they're one of the greatest makeup brands out there. If you know anything about makeup, I don't have to tell you who Benefit is. When they approached me, my heart fucking went poof. They want to start working with gamers. They want to discover the beautiful world of Twitch. I'm one of the lucky people that is allowed to help them explore Twitch a little bit. So what Benefit did, they just started their own Twitch channel. So in case you're interested in the makeup and seeing the other creators that they're gonna work with, you can super easily check that out. They're gonna have a great variety of cool content for you there. What is special about this Get Ready With Me today? As it already says in the title, I'm gonna be putting on my game face. And for that, they sent me the hugest box of makeup and products of them that you can imagine. We're gonna be unboxing everything together. I'm gonna be showing you the products. I got the chance beforehand already to try most of the products, and I got to choose the ones that I like the most. But there are also new products that I have not used before this day. So I'm really excited. So I got this huge box from them. It's all about the game face. And let's see what I got. The designs. First of all, I want to say the designs to you. Chef's kiss. Super cute. Look at this. Look at this. This is the little game face box that I got with a bunch of products in there. I'm gonna be trying all of them. Also, I just want to say I tried the foundation and the concealer already, and I have no idea how you guys do that. But they found my exact foundation shade, and I have no idea how. I didn't tell them anything. They just apparently looked at pictures and found the perfect match for my skin. So we got a lot of stuff in here. And if you're not thinking like, oh wow, that's already a lot, there's even more. We got some skincare. We're gonna go in each product in detail in a little bit. We got bronzer, we got a blush, and the other one is a highlighter. That's a good thing about being a gamer and doing your makeup. You can literally just use your headset as your hairband, which is really nice. So we're gonna start with moisturizing. It's called Moisturize Total Moisture Facial Cream from Benefit for normal to dry skin. Listen, the thing about the products is they're not only amazing to use, the quality of packaging, the quality of everything is just amazing. I wish you could like feel how heavy this little pan of face cream is. Like, it's literally, it feels so expensive. We're gonna use it all over the face, but for the eyes we're gonna use the eye cream. Face is moisturized. Now we're going to the eye cream. It's called it's Potent Eye Benefit Cream, the mini version of the moisture one. Let's see, what would be the next step after moisturizing? It would be a primer, because not to prime is a crime. This is actually my favorite primer. I used this, the normal professional, for so many years. I think it was the very first primer I bought at Sephora like many years ago, and it literally makes everything so smooth. The OG primer. It almost looks like you have like a filter on. So this is what it looks like out of the packaging. And now look at this, okay? Look at how cute. Whoever designed this is a freaking genius. Look at this. Look at it. It's a little pen. And then I'm just gonna buff it in. So I'm having the Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation in the number 3. It's a medium coverage. Like a really nice matte glass and like shiny top. And it has a little smiley face as well. So cute! Now, I'm just gonna set the foundation quick with the powder. The bronzer. Everybody knows, loves, knows that I use since the beginning of makeup days, the Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the blush. Look at the packaging again. So adorable. Look how gorgeous. Now we come to the most important thing. For the people that watch my stream regularly, you already noticed I switched eyebrow products because I have to admit, I've not used the products till 1 month ago. But 1 month ago, my life has been changed because I switched to the eyebrow products from Benefit. I don't know why I never used them before. Send me again the 2 that I'm using currently. My 2 must-haves. Technically, one would be good enough as well, but in combination I love those 2. First, I start with a Goof Proof brow pencil. I use the color 4.5. This is what the packaging looks like. So it has like a little bit of a wider tip, so I use this mostly to fill in. As the second one, I use the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one is very fine and more intense in pigment, which I use to make little hairs, okay? So this is the combo I'm using daily. 10 out of 10. So first of all, both of them come with a little spoolie. A very good spoolie. I have pretty long eyebrows, so I like to brush them. I think you can see it, right? If you want to go the extra mile, if you want to make those eyebrows pop, this is what I use. I use the Precisely very fine tipped one. You see this? How fine it is? It's super fine. And yeah, this I use to make like little flicks of single hairs, so my eyebrows look a little bit more feathery, if that makes sense. Like, look at the front here. You see this? You see this? The comparison without. You see those little hairs? Literally looks like real hair. How did I not know this 1 month ago? Yes, what is the most iconic thing about my makeup? Anybody knows? Eyeliner. The cat eyes. Exactly. The wing baby. Exactly. Amen. The freaking eyeliner. So good. It's called the roller liner. You can make really thin lines. You can make really thick lines with it. It is beautiful. It doesn't crack. It doesn't crease. It is a 10 out of 10 eyeliner. Like a marker. Look at this. Really thin lines. But you can also make a really thick line with this. You can do it all with this one. Mascara. Doesn't everybody know the Roller Lash mascara by now already? How cute is it that your eyeliner and your mascara match? So, they sent me something really cute called the Moisturizing Lip Balm. What it looks like. Again, cute freaking packaging. And this is the color berry. Ooh. This is cute. I love it. Professional super setter. Setting spray. I have not used it at all yet. You know what I almost forgot? Almost forgot. I did not forget. But almost did. Hello highlighter. And cutest. Sorry, I have makeup all over my roof. Whoops! Holy moly. Oh my god. Tip of the nose? Gonna be blinding today. How do you like my game face? Do you like it? I really like the lip colors. Thank you for sending me the products. Thank you for letting me be part of this. I really appreciate it. I love seeing friends like you exploring Twitch. I'm happy that I can help you explore it. I'm happy to help you find new cool people in the community. Thank you for everything. Again, guys, if you have not checked them out, you can find the Twitch channel, Benefit Cosmetics. They're gonna be featuring more great creators on their channel. I saw that Jari is gonna be there. And guys, another idea that we had together with Steffi, right? Senpai Hades. Is it her? Another schnitzel cooking streamer? Yeah, exactly that one. We're gonna do a little stream together. Not sure when yet. Steffi and me, we're gonna need to figure out when we're gonna have the time to do that. Now, listen, Steffi does her makeup perfectly the way she does. Steffi is perfectly beautiful. She does everything perfectly right for her. I just want to see how she looks like if I do her makeup, because it's gonna look different, right? I'm gonna do last. Now we come.
Why do you come here?
Bloody, oh my god. 10 out of 10. That's gonna make it into my new video. Beautiful.